you have a Dodge Ram 1500, this one is a 2014, and the steering wheel, it gets stiff at some points. What it might be is your steering shaft, the U-joint might be seized, like this one here. Moves one way and it doesn't move the other way. Your steering shaft is in here. So you have 113 bolt up there and one down here. Just on top of your steering pump. Those are electric pump on those trucks. To remove that, you just undo the two bolts. They're on each side, 13. And then there's a slot, a groove in the center. Both sides are like this. So what you want to do is just use a chisel and tap it in there and open it up. You replace it anyway, so you don't have to be careful with it. So now you want to make sure that the top part of it get loose. When you're shaking it, after you get it loose, you grab it with your hands and then shake it back and forth. But don't try to take this one up first. You have to take, because there's a slip shaft underneath that boot. So you have to take the one at the steering box underneath first, which you just, after it's loose, you tap it up with a hammer, or you grab a pry bar from underneath and pry it. And then after that, because it's loose, you can just remove the top piece down, and then it's out of there. It only fits one way back on the shaft, so you don't have to worry about screwing up the angle, because this is kind of rectangular in here. And there's also the groove for where the bolt goes through in here. That goes through, and then the shaft's in the way, so they cut the little slots into the shaft for the bolt to go through. So yeah, that's it. Simple as that. It's about maybe half an hour doing that. You have enough space to do. You can do the top bolt by on top of the engine here, and the bottom bolt have enough space if you go by underneath to see the steering box. Alright, good luck. Oh yeah, and don't worry if you notice there's no shroud here. There's another job I'm doing on this truck. There, I'm changing the water pump, which was not too bad to do. So that's why there's nothing in the way here. But usually there's enough space right here to do it.